Let's play Listen Up. I want you to cover up your eyes with your hands, and I'll make a noise, and I want you to guess what noise I'm making. What did that sound like?
A whistle.
A whistle? Yeah?
Yeah.
It was a whistle.
Okay, your turn.
My turn?
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to close my eyes. You make a sound over there?
Okay.
All right. Were you pouring the beads?
Yeah.
Yeah? You want to do another one?
Yeah.
Okay. Were you tapping the spoon in the glass?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you want to try closing your eyes again? Why don't you sit over here? Hi. What did I do?
Do something with the scissors.
I did something with the scissors? I did. I cut the paper with the scissors.